In a second, we're going to give you a tour of our apartment in Puerto Morelos, Mexico, but we wanted to show you the beautiful beach here. It's as beautiful as any of the beaches in Riviera Maya, and that's why we're here. This is Dan and 𝗥𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗙 once apartment tour in Puerto Morelos, Mexico.
Yes, and that is our apartment, but we're not going to show you that it's very dirty. Not dirty, it's just a mess.
It's filthy dirty.
we show you this one. Come.
Yeah, we're going to show you the landlord gave us a key to another one since we're promoting their apartments.
So this is the beautiful apartment. It seems like our apartment is the same layout, but this now they are clean here, so you can look.
Yeah.
Come to the big bedroom. They have 2 bedrooms. So they have the bed. They have what you call?
Safe.
Safe. So you can put your laptop inside also, which is we like this thing.
Yeah.
AC and the TV.
Yeah.
Yes.
The big window.
Yes, the big windows. It's very beautiful outside here.
Yeah, so this is, I guess this is the master bedroom because it has a safe.
Yeah.
And there's a second bedroom, we'll show you in a minute.
Oh, there's a toilet. It's very nice. And this is a second bedroom. So at least you know there's second bedroom. Let me take this here.
Go slow.
So let's show you the second bedroom.
Yeah.
So show us the kitchen.
So there's a dining room table, refrigerator over the back, microwave behind the back, oven, which is gas, sink, and some of the units have a washer here, but this one doesn't. Ours doesn't. And this is as much hot water as you want, real time. It's not a tank, it's one of the more modern kinds. And dishes, silverware, forks and knives and all the goodies, pots and pans. And up here, you have everything. You have the coffee maker and toaster, blender, iron, and as you can see, there's even water here. I think you have to pay for your water, but we'll get into the individual expenses. The rent is $350. So. Okay.
So this internet and internet password and everything.
So you have your own router if you're worried about speeds, and we're working with the speeds here without any trouble, including video calls. So it's pretty decent internet.
Yes.
So next we'll show you the grounds and the swimming pool and the jungle walkways and the front gate.
And one thing I want to, and the gate too. In the way we go, you will see actually this tree is, you will see the monkey coming here in the morning. And then don't feed them anything.
Yeah, don't feed the monkeys. Yeah, they're 9 to 5, and the bus drops them off around 9 in the morning. So but some days they take a day off. You never know when they're going to come.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you come here in the summer, you're going to want to rent a lower unit, so the sun isn't on top of your roof, like the first or second floor. We're on the 3rd floor, but it's winter time, so it's fine. So there's 4 on the bottom, 4 in the middle, 4 on the top. And let's show you where the jungle walkway is.
than the gate.
Okay.
The security here is very strong.
Yeah. During COVID, you have to book a time at the pool, so they don't get too many people at the pool at the same time. And the gate, there's a front gate, which we really like, and we really like the whole property is surrounded by a fence with barbed wire at the top.
And actually behind is the jungle.
Yeah, the jungle. It's hundreds of miles. Once you go out the back of the property, if you were an animal, you'd go for hundreds of miles without seeing people. So as you can see, there's a barbed wire fence next to us, and this is the gate. Watch how they log whoever comes in the gate. Watch this. So we explained that the apartment is $350. The rate you can negotiate depends on how long you're staying, and so the $350 we quoted you is the same as 7,000 pesos, and that's if you stay for 6 months.
Yeah, 6 months. So in the 6 months, your rent is 7,000 peso, which is $350 US, and then your Wi-Fi is 500 peso, which is $25 US. Gas is 200 peso, is $10, and water is 200 peso. That's a $10 US as well. Plus your utility is like how you use the AC. They have 2 unit AC.
So plus electric.
Yeah, plus electric.
And electric in the summer months is going to be quite high because it's quite hot this part of Mexico. So it wouldn't be unusual to pay 3,000 or 4,000 pesos per month.
Yeah, it's about.
But in terms of money, 3,000 is $150.
$150.
4,000 would be $200, I think.
Yeah. So if you stay here for the 6 months, the 1 month rent is 7,900 peso.
What does that include?
It's 6 months. Wi-Fi, gas, water, and the money rental.
I see.
It's 7,900 peso plus the utilities.
Plus utilities that you use.
Oh, by the way, there's also you need to pay the deposit for 1 month.
Yeah. And that's for 6 months.
That's for 6 months.
We were only here for a month, so we rented. You have to pay more, so we paid $12,000 to be here for a month.
Which is $600.
But that includes everything.
Everything, the utility, Wi-Fi, gas.
Yeah. And it's $600, right?
$600.
Yeah. There are cheaper places, Puerto Morelos, but not much cheaper. You can probably get.
I like here. One more thing is because these are gated apartment, which you have a security.
Yeah.
So you can run surrounding on this place. So there is a benefits of this during the COVID,
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, the security is definitely nice. We thought we'd share a few things we really like about Puerto Morelos.
Yes. First thing is we found this place, and the owner or the manager, she's very friendly and very great, and she speaks English. She's from Spain as well. So we love this place. We fall in love with this place just meeting her. And our neighbor as well. She's a very great person, the manager. So.
Yeah. And the next thing we really like about it is it's really next to the jungle, and not every day, but at least 2-3 times a week, it seems like the monkeys show up in the trees around the apartment, and it's fun to watch them eat the little fruits on the trees and stuff.
Yes.
There's also we've noticed there's a lot of colorful birds everywhere.
Yes.
And so that's also very nice.
And I like in the 3rd floor because it's very windy.
Yeah, we have a lot of nice breezes up here, and we're at tree level, so it's quite nice.
And also that we like about this place is because of you have a jungle in your house, and then you go to the beach. It's only 30 peso, which is $1.50 if you walk to the taxi stand. So it's not far, the taxi stand, like
2 blocks.
2 blocks, and then it's 30 peso. And you from the beach, if you go to supermarket and Cherawi on the beach side, you're coming home to here, it's 50 peso. They send you back to your building, so
Yeah,
it's more.
it's $2.50.
It's $2.50.
There's also one of our friends recommended a dentist in town here, so I had my teeth cleaned, and he's great. So, I mean, it's a very nice community here.
A lot of people come here for the dentist.
For dental work.
Dental
yeah.
work. It's not, a lot
Yeah,
of
like,
people
to
come
give you an
here.
idea, he said, maybe not now, but soon I'll need a crown on one of my teeth that has a crack in it. And he quoted me 7,000 pesos, which is $350. And in the U.S., where I'm from, this is 10 years ago. Crowns were $2,000, so it's much cheaper here dental-wise. So if you'd like to rent an apartment, you can click the more information and the link below this YouTube video. That will take you to our webpage, and on the webpage there'll be a link to the Facebook page for these apartments and the email of the property manager.
Her email and the Facebook page of these apartments.
Right, and
Yes.
we're just doing this for our subscribers. She's not paying us if you. In fact, she offered to, but we don't. We're not promoting this for money. This is our honest opinion.
Because we like this place, we promote the place that we like it.
Yeah, and we like her and we like the place, so why not tell you guys about it? So, thanks for watching our video. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. All of that will help our business grow on YouTube. We'd sure appreciate it. Thanks so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Come to Vagabond Buddha. Check out over 80 retired cheaper parts all over the world. And check out our membership. We also have a course that will teach you how to travel the world like this and how to pay for your travel. Thanks so much.